whispers it breathes my name. Between green veils where the wild birds came, the sky extends like an endless shrine. Its call resounds in this heart of mine. My wings lie waiting, an eagle at rest. Their glass, steel and gold, my fingers caress. To the ridge I tread, gravity weighs my wings low. I strain to keep their glass tips from where the grasses grow. They've had their rest, but the wind awakes. The sky is calling, my spirit shakes. The sun spills gold through the veil of white. The ridges fade as I climb for height. Lift me higher, oh timeless skies. Your voice has taught my soul to rise. No chain can bind, no shadow clings, for I am born on my glass waves. The rivers thread through the earth like veins. The forest sways to the old refrains. The wind cuts deep, yet I feel no pain. Each flight renews what the stars proclaim. The clouds unfold with a boundless grace. I dive then soar across the wide sky's face. The earth seems distant from this sainted view, and my joy crests in this ocean of blue. Lift me higher, oh timeless skies. Your voice has taught my soul to rise. No chain can bind, no shadow clings, for I rise above singing praise. The clouds ahead have jagged teeth. Their thunder and rain threaten those beneath. But wings of glass catch the solar rays and soar above where the tempest lays. The sky crowns me with its boundless dome. Among the clouds I have found